Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if packing for traveling stresses you out, then you need this amazing luggage from Aerotrunk. I'm so impressed with how much this holds. It is 23 inches by 15 inches and has an expandable center that gives you an extra 2 inches. Plus, it has a really awesome compression divider. And I love that because one of my pet peeves about luggage is when you try to fold it together to zip it up, a lot of the stuff will fall out. But not with this one because it's a full length of the suitcase. So it keeps everything super nice and tight and in place. The other side also has a zippered area, so really everything is going to stay exactly where you want it to be. Another feature that's amazing and really takes stress out of your flight is having this front pocket. This will fit up to a 15.6-inch laptop. When you go through security, you always have to take out your electronics, and I'm always fumbling, trying to find them, or I forget about it, and then I get pulled aside and have to have my bag searched. So it's so nice to be able to put it right in the front and have easy access. I got the color blue, which is like a dark navy, and it has black, really smooth zippers on the outside and a handle that expands up quickly and easily. The spinner wheels, of course, are amazing to have because they're so smooth. You can drag it behind you or have it on the side, and it just makes it so easy to navigate any kind of terrain, including on grass. The outside shell is a super strong and durable polycarbonate, and we know how much abuse luggage goes through when you're traveling. The polycarbonate is really going to help it to stand up to anything that it goes through in the airlines or on your travels, and that's going to be really nice to have for the long haul. I'm really pleased with this luggage from Aerotrunk. They have other colors and sizes. I think you'll be pleased with it too, but that's just my point of view.